Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to post longer videos on Instagram. For that, make sure you have your Instagram application and you're logged into your account. Now you will be led to this kind of interface, and at the bottom you can see the plus icon. You need to simply tap over there. Now here you need to choose the video that you want to upload. Now all you need to do is tap on next. Now at the bottom left you can see the edit video option. You can simply tap over there. Now here you can see various editing options. You can choose accordingly. If you don't have anything to edit, then you can simply tap on the arrow icon at the top right. Now all you need to do is tap on share. Now you can see that your video has been uploaded. Now if you simply tap on the video, you can see the full video that you have uploaded to your Instagram. And this is how easily you can post long videos on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.